Oh yeah, this looks bad.
Yeah. When I got here, it was like it wasn't raining outside, so everything was okay. But as soon as it started pouring out, it started filling up and overflowing.
How long? All right, y'all, still raining pretty crazy out here right now. You can see where we're at rather. Now we're gonna go in the basement. We got the line cleared outside in the rain. Let's walk inside and see what we got going on right now. Hurry it up here. I think we might be in good shape. We should be in good shape. I'm gonna go downstairs and just double check.
Okay. Did that snake work?
It did, yes, but I still want to make sure that it's working inside too. All right, y'all, what a big difference. You already know.